Are we on the air?
Yeah. Pliers.
What do you use those for?
Holding nuts, wires, whatever you need to in place.
Okay.
Another set of pliers that has a wire cutter built into it.
Can you speak up?
Speak up.
That's what I said.
I know.
It's an echo.
Here's your sign.
Speak up.
I'll go off the echo. Combination wrench used to loosen and tighten bolts or nuts. Flathead screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver,
Nice.
or also a combination. Vice grips. Crescent wrench.
Is that,
Pipe wrench.
is that regular or is that metric?
Either or, I think it goes both ways.
Tell him, no, it's left-handed.
No, it's left-handed. Are you lefty?
No.
Ball peen hammer used to hit.
Old guys over the head with?
What do you think I was going to do?